Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and as you can see, I'm like super duper happy with this unboxing because first of all, I did manage to beat the price increase when it comes to this bag. So I did end up getting this bag before the prices went up. Speaking of that, I did do a price increase video last week on my channel. So if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. But basically, this is also a take two of this bag because I did unbox this bag earlier on my channel this year. And then I ended up returning it because I didn't think the quality was that good. So that is another hint right there. Let me know down below if you can already guess what it could be. I'm just curious to see if you guys can guess what I picked up. But basically, this bag did go significantly up in price. So I'm really happy that I got to beat the price and I got to like buy it before the price really went up. But if you enjoy this kind of videos where we talk about Louis Vuitton handbags and just handbags in general, unboxings and stuff like that, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. It would really mean the world to me if you would consider subscribing and staying connected. I know I always say that, but I totally mean it. Like I totally do. But now coming back to the unboxing, I'm just gonna quickly unbox it and do the unboxing basically because I mean, that's what we're here for, right? And I want to make it super quick and stuff. But here's the bag, and I don't know why they gave me like a huge box. The bag is not that big, obviously. But here is the bag, and I don't know if it gives it away because, I don't know, like the shape maybe. But here is the bag, and I am revealing my gorgeous ta-da! Pochette Metis! Yes, I did get Pochette Metis, and as you guys know, or as you guys may know, that this bag significantly went up in prices last week. So on October 1st, this bag used to be $20.50 in US dollars before taxes, and now it's at $23.60 before taxes. So I'm really happy that I got to beat that price. I got to save it $350. But anyways, I'm just gonna bring it up close so you guys can see. There it is. So this is obviously, as you can see, it's in the reverse monogram canvas. And I did, like I said earlier, I did unbox this bag earlier on my channel this year. And I ended up returning it because I did think that the clasp was sometimes crooked. I mean, it didn't look crooked like a lot, I'd say, but when you stuff it up with contents, it just looked really crooked and weird, so I ended up returning it. But anyways, I did get it again, and here is the side of the bag. I'm just gonna give a tour of my bag. Here is the back, this is the side, and then we are back in the front. Here is the top, and everything is in a perfect condition when it comes to this bag. I did thoroughly inspect it. One of the things though that I did get this bag a couple of weeks ago, and the thing is, when I unboxed this bag, when I opened the bag, it had this strong chemical smell. I don't know, it kind of freaked me out. I thought that the bag was faulty in some way, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to return it again because I didn't even have this bag out of the dust bag. I just literally like opened the box and it smelled so bad. But now the smell is gone. Yeah, I really can't smell it. I left it out for like a couple of days and then it had a chance to breathe and everything. So the smell went away. And now that I think about it, I feel like the smell was there because this was like a brand spanking new piece. I feel like they had just made it and then they had just like shipped it out, and then I was basically like the very first person who ever like even laid hands on this bag, I feel like. So maybe that's why it was there. I don't know if anybody else has ever like experienced that kind of strong chemical smells. Let me know in the comment box down below if you did, because I'm just kind of curious. But anyways, I feel like this is in a really good condition. It's still got like sticker and everything up in the front, and I really don't think that the flap is crooked or anything like that. So that's really good. And one of the other things is that this bag does have a microchip instead of the date code. So usually for Pochette Metis, if you guys know, the date code is in the flap in the back over here, like the zippered section here. But this one doesn't have it. I thoroughly inspected it, so I feel like this one does have a microchip. I don't know where the microchip is, but it does have a microchip. And that's, I guess, enough of talking. Let me show you what the bag looks like on the inside. So here we are opening it. And then here is the interior of this bag. There's no like bubbling or anything like that up here. At least I don't think so. And then here is the strap, which is adjustable. I really like that. There's like about 5 holes in the strap, and I did inspect the strap really thoroughly as well. There's no faults or anything like that. The hardware is super duper shiny, and everything is just really, really amazing about this bag. I'm gonna show you the interior. Here is the inside. So it does have, as we know, three compartments. So 1, 2, and then a back, like a flap, not a flap, but like a back pocket there. And then it's also got a zippered section in the back. And if you guys are wondering, this bag is made in Italy, just like that. And that is so amazing because this is my very first made in Italy bag. I do have made in USA bags and I do have made in France bags, but this is the very first made in Italy bag. So I'm so excited. I'm so happy with my little Italian beauty. Well, it's not little, but it's really nice. I really love it. And I'm just so excited to start wearing it. And yeah, that is it for this unboxing. I just want to make it super quick. And yeah, that really does it for today's video. I will do some mod shots at the end, so definitely stay tuned for that. But other than that, let me know what you think of this bag. I really, really love it. And I have always preferred this over the classic monogram. For some reason, I feel like this one stands out a little more. And if you guys know me at all, you know that I really like my bags. I use them as an accessory for me. So I really like my bags to really stand out. And that's the reason I picked this one compared to monogram. But yeah, that really does it for today's video. Like I said earlier, I always say that and then start talking more, but basically that does it for today's video. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some mod shots, and I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.